Chirit. Kingi. Chumbi. Okay. Now free your legs out. Jerk your legs out. Take your legs out. Keep rotation. Keep rotation. Rotate your hip. Okay, straight sit up. 10 sit up. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Okay, turn. Knee pressing. Change. Knee pressing. Okay, right leg back. Push your hip forward. Push your hip forward. Change. Push your hip forward. Okay. So keep your legs out. Okay, come on. Thigh sit up. Sit to your left side. 1. Slowly. Stay there. Stay there. Keep pumping. 2, 3, 4. Slowly, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, slowly up. Okay, jerk your legs out. Okay, go for side stretching. Stretch your legs out. Stretch, slowly stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn to left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your head. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Slowly get up. Slowly get up. Okay, go for sitting stance and push your knee outside. Push your knee out. Push. Stay there. Push your, hold your elbow and push. Yeah, push. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now catch your ankles. Touch your head to the knee. 1, 2, 3. Touch your head. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Okay, jerk your legs out. Jumbe. Now take your right leg back, walking stand. Jumbe. Okay, front rising kick. You'll kick and change your leg. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now cross kick. Cross kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now diagonal kick. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now outer crescent kick. Okay, every time when you kick, change your leg. 1, kick, land forward, change. 2, 3, 4. Okay, inner crescent kick. Now, hold your left hand out. Only with one leg. Start. 1. Change your leg. Hands out. 2, 3, 4. Jimmy. Okay, turn the side. Go sitting stand. Jimmy. Now side rising kick. Cross your left leg out and kick with right leg. Start. 1. A kick. Come back to sitting stance and block. Now with your left leg, shift your right leg, kick with your left leg. 2. Kick and come back to same position. 3. Knee straight with kicking. 4. Come back, Jimmy. Okay. Relax. Free your legs out. Okay. Please sit down. Butterfly exercise. Butterfly exercise. Okay, we'll start with the kicks today, children. Today we'll start with back piercing kick. And we'll continue with reverse turning kick and reverse hooking kick. Okay, please stand up. Suraj. Kicking.
1.
Okay, first we'll start with back piercing kick. Okay, hold a block. First slowly measuring. Okay, you have to turn back and look towards the kicking pad, the target pad, and 2, lift your leg up. 2, and slowly turn back, stretch slowly. In this position, slightly bend your body, not too much, slightly up. Yes. Your heel should be straight. Balance. The kicking tool is your heel. Okay, slowly down. Okay, ready. Again, next. Ready? Only answer first, your guarding block. The stances are very important. You have to keep your both knee bent. You cannot keeping your body erect straight. Relax. Your body should be relaxed position. Okay, start measuring. 1. Turn, look back. Knee up. 2. Slowly stretch. Okay. While kicking, your hip should be your hip should stretch. You have to tuck your buttocks straight. Slightly bend your body. Or that fold knee, fold. The knee should start from here. 1, stretch. The hitting tool is the heel. Okay. Again, you fold back and get back to same position. Once again, ready? Start. 1, 2, knee up, and slowly stretch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heel. Okay. We'll show with the other direction also. Okay. Change the direction. Ready? Walking stance, standing walking stance. Walking stance. Okay. Change your leg. Yes, ready? Measuring. Start. 1, 2, leg up. Your knee should bob. Look back with one eye. Slowly stretch. Slowly stretch. Your hip. Look towards the target. If you look there, how can you kick? Look towards the target. Heel is the hitting tool. Your kicking position should be straight. This. See across. Turn. Yes. And even leg position also changes when you turn like this. This is how you kick, back kick. Again you fold and turn back. Ready? Hold the pad, kicking. Ready? Now 5 kicks we practice. Back facing kick. Ready? Shout with the kick. Ready? Start. 1. Here. Get back. Breathe out and shout. Ready? 2. Kick. After kick, every time you have to finish with the guarding block. Ready? 3. You should have an impact on the kick, otherwise no power. Ready? 3. Kick. You should enjoy the kick while performing. There's no power in this. Once again, last time. Ready? 5. Kick. Change your leg. Repeat. Same kick. Ready? Start. See, while performing this kick, your body should be halfway. You keep full face. It takes a long time. Body should be half face. Easy to turn quick. Ready? Start. Same kick. Ready? Start. 1.
Yes.
Closer. 2. 3. Kick faster. See, body should be half face. Full face takes a long time. Ready? 4. Wait, heel contact. Heel is the hitting tool. 5. Okay. back jumbe. Okay. Now we'll start doing reverse turning kick. Okay. Ready? Okay, check your belts. Once again, your belt should have a proper knot. Okay, now ready? Every time you have to check your belt should have a proper knot. Ready now? Reverse turning kick, slowly measuring. Start 1, you turn, your knee, you're not bending your knee. Your leg goes straight. Ready? Straight, 1. First turn, 1. Yes, lift the leg. 1. Straight. Heel, lift. Slowly. Up. Fold your leg in. 2, 3, 4 and hit. Hitting toe is the heel. Reverse turning kick. Okay? It goes straight and cross. Get back to same position without bending knee. Once again. Measuring. Start 1, 2, lift slowly. Up. Body balance. Straight. Back. Again, once again. Slowly measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight, knee straight. Balance, body balance. Straight, knee straight. Lock your knee. Okay. And now with the fast motion. Ready, start. 1. Okay, with the shout. 2.
Yeah.
Straight, heel. Hitting toe is heel. 3.
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Ready. Ready, start. 1,
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
Change your leg. 1,
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
Knee should be locked. 3.
Yeah.
Last 4 kicks. Ready? Body half face. Half face. Start. 1.
Yeah.
See, your hitting tool is coming wrong. Lift the leg up. This is not a hitting tool. This is also a kick. This is a different hitting tool. So when reverse turning kick, this with the heel. Okay, even this is also a kick, but this is a different hitting tool. Turning hip. Yes. This is a hitting tool. Once more. Ready? Start. 1.
Yeah.
Little more faster. Rotate faster. 2. Kick faster. Half face. Body half face. 3.
Yeah.
Heel. 4.
Yeah.
Again, hitting tool. Heel. 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, you practice a lot with measuring kicks. You can hold the wall and practice proper side kick, okay, back kick, then the kicks will be perfect. Okay, we'll go with the last kick. Reverse hooking kick. Ready? Right leg back. Okay? Same like a side kick you measure. Ready? Start. 1, 2, knee up, stretch like side kick. 3, 4, and the last end movement, you use your heel or your ball of the foot. This you hook. Okay, back hooking kick. Again, once more. Ready, start. 1, 2, last movement, stretch to the back kick. Last movement, you hook, stretch straight. Keep stretching, stretch. Look here. Given your target, what the training secrets tell, even the theory of power. Okay, movement of your eyes, hands, leg and breathe, one cord in action. Okay, wherever the attack or defense is there, your eyes should go there. Last movement, you hook. Once again. Ready, start. 1, leg up, slow, measuring, I'm giving counts. 1, leg up, knee up, 2, stretch, back kick. Look here, hook, 3, yes. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, last movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now fast motion. Ready? Start. 1. With the shout. No power without shout or a breathe. 2, shout.
Yeah.
3, target. 3, next. Keep bouncing, relax. Body should be relaxed before kick. 3,
Yeah.
follow the foot. Next. 3, next. 4,
Yeah.
follow the foot. 5, next. Follow the foot. Kick.
Yeah.
Come back to Jimmy position. Come back here, both of you. Chariot. Jimmy. So free legs out. Free legs out. Keep protection. Keep protection. Okay, stretch downward. Stretch down. Okay, up. Push your hip forward. Okay, sidewards. Change. Okay, holding knee. Knee rotation. Okay, fully knee in. Fully knee in. Knee in. Look forward. Knee in. Stretch 1, 2. Change your leg. Change sidewards. Change sidewards. Okay. Come back. Knee legs out. Very good, children. This you have to practice many times. 100, 200, 500, 1000 times you practice. Then you kick. Okay, you'll be perfect in the kick. Chariot. Kingi. Turn face to face. Kingi. Okay, thank you, students. All the best. Have a nice day.